up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Nat, aka Beforrealnat here, back with another banger, baby. Okay, so as y'all can see by the title, this is the second part of my Valentine's Day series. In this video, I will be using colors out of both of these palettes. These palettes can be purchased at your local beauty supply. This old one was $4.29, and clearly they were taxing because this one was only $3.99. Okay, so in this palette, in the original palette, they have colors that are not in this palette, and I do reach into both and talk about both in this video. So I'm not gonna keep y'all long. I love you guys so much. Thank you for supporting me and all my new subscribers. Hey, how you doing? What's poppin'? Brand new, what just happened? And also in this video, I will be featuring my best friend's lashes called Renubian Lashes. Don't forget to check her link down below, and y'all forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. With this palette, and I'm only gonna use 4 brushes. We're gonna keep it cute, we're gonna keep it simple, and you already know how to, okay? Let's talk, cause when I tell you for Beforrealnat, it ain't where it's been at. It ain't work. You know what? I ain't even gonna sit here and keep y'all for the whole video. I'm gonna go ahead and do one eye off camera, come back, and then I'm gonna show y'all. Boom! Y'all see what I got going on? Y'all see that? So I'm gonna be dipping into the old palette, and I'm gonna dip into this. What you wanna call it? A little burnt little red color right here. Do y'all have any plans for Valentine's Day? Cause I know I don't. Y'all, all we gonna do is start tapping the color in. Say, don't be like swiping, just tap it, y'all. It's gonna distribute itself and it's gonna blend out itself. So. I don't know if y'all can hear this stuff in the background because my window open and I live next to the parking lot of my apartment, so y'all know how that be. I mean my dorm, whatever you want to call it, dorm apartment. But yeah, I got plans for not Thanksgiving. Bitch, I'm living in the past at this point. Honey, I'm ready for Thanksgiving 2021 at this point, okay? Towards the end, when you're applying this color, you can like start buffing it out just a little bit, just to get these ends and stuff blended. You know, someone wants to be so blocky chocky, okay? From Walmart. It's a Walmart brush, okay, y'all. The next color we're gonna hop into, which they do have in both palettes, go ahead and show y'all the new one. I'm gonna go ahead and hop into this pinkish velvety color. This is a Morphe brush right here. I got in the set, y'all. I just know that the whole set in total cost $8 from Ulta. Honestly, y'all, I kind of just threw this color in here just to throw it in here, and honestly, to me, it didn't make a difference, but if it looked like a difference on camera, let me know. Okay. They be so ignorant over here, y'all. But all right, boom. So, and then you want to just go back in with that other brush, blend it together, just slap it. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know me, I'm good for slapping something on. So I'm gonna go back in with this concealer that I originally concealed with and slap that on my eye. Like literally, like when I say slap it on, like literally just slap it on her. It don't matter. And then I'm gonna take another brush. It's beat up, but from that same Walmart set that's a little bit fluffier. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's a little bit more fluffier, and just tap that out. You know what I'm saying? And you can move the concealer to wherever you want it to go, how high you want it to be, how low you want it to be. You can do whatever you want to do when it comes to this type of blur out situation. It's not even no real structure to it. Just blend it out. Boom. Yeah, we doing something. All right. I know for sure that this is a MAC brush. I got it in a set for Christmas from my older sister. It's a double-ended brush, but any flat brush will do. Actually, I say a flat fluffy brush because flat fluffy brushes apply matte colors a lot better. So this color that I'm finna put on, oh! The next color I'm finna apply is this white color right here down at the bottom. And it is in both palettes as well. And we gonna slap that thing on there. Okay, just like that. Tap it, y'all. Don't swipe it. Tap it, because it's gonna build that color up. As y'all can see, it do got some fallout. And you could bring this white color as far out as you want to. Honestly, I'm just gonna cover all the concealer just so it could go ahead and be set. And so when it comes to this type of look, you can manipulate where the shadow goes and how, again, if it's not up to how high you want it to be, then you can make it do that. You can do whatever you want to do with it. Literally, y'all, whatever is on this brush, whatever's on the brush from the first color that we applied, literally just on to the white part. I'm gonna tap back into it just a little bit. Cut it ain't enough. But if you have enough on your brush, just literally, you're gonna go on the end part of this concealer and just tap that color onto there. For example, that you don't like how your white came out, you can always go back with one or two of the brushes that you started off with and blend it back down. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and throw that same. I'm just gonna use both colors right here. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with another Morphe brush because I did buy two of the same sets, so I have two of the same brushes. I'm gonna go in with this dark grayish black looking color, and this color is available in both palettes, and blend the edge out. Just tap it on there, and you can bring this black as far up or as far like into the eye as you want. Tap it. Get that original brush and just blend the colors together on each side. And literally, you're done. Okay. I'm finna go ahead and put some eyeliner on and come back and talk about these lashes. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna get into these lashes. So I picked up some lashes from one of my best friends. Collection is called Renubian Lashes. Renubian Lashes, and I do have the lashes in the style Miss Newbie. I have them in the style Queen and our Nubia. Okay, you guys, and they come with the little spoolies on the inside, and I'm super excited to try these lashes out because these are new to her collection, so I'm super excited. So make sure y'all check her out. I will put her description in the inbox below, and let's go ahead and hop into it. So the first ones that I do have out are Miss Newbie herself. Okay, oh, I wish I could see them. Like, I don't know, I hope y'all can really see them. They super cute. I can already see it. Yeah, I know how I feel about a good lash. Lash, oh my goodness, I can see it already. I'm so excited. Wow. Okay. Yeah, I'm big digging the. Okay. Which one is this? Miss Newbie? Baby, Miss Newbie is speaking to me, okay? Oh, wow. That might be a winner. Oh. Okay, so the next one we got on our list is Miss Queen herself, honey. Quit playing with her. Oh my goodness, I can see it just about to flap up right here. Okay. Ooh. I don't know if y'all can see that. Oh yeah, she's sitting real pretty. I like her. Oh yeah, for sure. She's just so pretty. I love a good side profile. Wow, this is such a beautiful eyelash. And the last one we have here is the Nubia's. This is a big girl lash for sure. You got a little blowout on the side too. All right, let's see what she's talking about. Ah, oh my goodness. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Yes, honey. And this look like a 25mm for you, honey. This a 25mm for sure. Do you see it? Yo. Oh my goodness. Y'all seen it yourself. Y'all seen it here that every single pair of lashes looks good on this eye look, y'all. So y'all go ahead and tap into my best and tap into these lashes, because honey, they ain't nothing to play with. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Miss Newbie with the rest of the face and do the rest of the eye and do what we do, baby, okay? This is the Melody Matte Set. And this is in the color Velvet, number 9. No ma'am. No ma'am. Alright, y'all, so this is the True Matte by Nika K. Y'all, as y'all can see, I love me some Nika K. I got this for $2.49. And this is in the color Santa Fe. We're gonna make it work. We're gonna trick it. I'm sorry. Okay. I'm gonna go back into this. This is the second color that we used. That's what we're doing. Always be confident in what you're doing when you're doing your makeup, regardless if you look a mess or not. Okay. We're gonna tap some concealer. The white. I think I'm just fucking up the lip even more. Y'all, this shit look terrible. But it's okay, because you know what we're finna do? Throw some lip gloss on top of this. Hold on. And High Shine lip gloss that I've been having sitting around on. And my lip don't match the look, but y'all focus up here, okay? Don't worry about the look. The look is just for the video, okay? With this Morphe setting spray. And but baby, you're done.